Fantastic human. Hello, Robsy here with another video. Today we're staying on the iPad and we're staying practical. I'm going to be comparing Teemo and Structured, two timeline planners that promise the same thing, a day that feels organized without turning planning into a second job. I'm using one scenario built twice so it stays easy to follow on the screen. And here's a scenario. A busy weekday that already has a few anchors, a few blocks, plus a few tasks that always try to spill into everything else. So my anchors for the day are a morning routine, focused work, an afternoon admin block, and an evening shutdown. And I will be adding 4 movable tasks to this, which is 2 emails, a short grocery run, and a call that I keep delaying. I'm going to be focusing on the same test in both apps, which is capture. How quickly can I get the plan in? Clarity. How well the day reads at a glance. And recovery. How the plan survives a change. I'm not judging which app has the longest feature list. I'm just looking at which app makes the day feel doable. Let's start in Structured with a fresh day view. So first, I added the morning routine, focus work block, admin block, and then the shutdown. As I placed them, I watched how the timeline looks when the day already has shape. I love how easy it feels to add my blocks with my tasks sitting as subtasks underneath them. It makes everything feel less overwhelming, and I want to use this as a routine, so I'm going to be repeating these blocks and then adjusting them each day as needed. I also love that I can add notes to my blocks to just give myself a small guideline for future adjustments. The time dial isn't fun though. It feels much faster to just type the time in than to scroll around until I land on what I actually want. But straight away, Structure gives me a clean, obvious picture of time. I can see where the day has breathing room. It is very subtle though, and I wish I could have more information like how much time I have between each task, but I don't have that. But this still works. The little dash, I can see that there's quite a bit of time on my schedule to do other things. Now I can add the movable tasks. These are tasks that just pop up in the day or that you think after a day has already been planned. So I have 2 emails, groceries, and a call. And I have this in my inbox, a place where I can just put tasks that I'm not sure where they fit in, when or where they fit into my schedule. I love that Structured lets me add how much time each task is likely to take because it just makes it easier to add them to the timeline. This is the moment where a timeline app, a planner app, either helps or gets in the way. With Structured, it is an intuitive drag and drop that immediately shows you overlaps. I definitely don't want anything overlapping. And after a couple of these, my inbox is free and my day fully planned. Now I'm going to rebuild the exact same scenario in Teemo, starting with the same blocks, which is the morning routine, focused work, admin block, and the evening shutdown. I really like the AI assistant in Teemo, but it froze on me before even creating the first task. Then the app crashed. Teemo freezes and crashes a lot, so I had to go manual. It also has a time dial, and this one is worse because it's a repeating one. It never stops scrolling at the start or at the end, unlike what you get in Structured. It's an infinite repeat. The app is also not as responsive as Structured, so I had to tap the app at least twice each time just to get a response. It gets frustrating over time. Also, adding your start and end dates takes too many steps. Tiimo wasn't fun to work with. it failed to create my last task. No matter how much I tried, that unresponsiveness again. And I had to close and reopen the app. By the time which I was too tired to start over this task, so I don't actually have the last task in Teemo. I love that the app gives me more information on the free time I have between each block. That way, when I need to add new tasks, I can easily do that knowing exactly how much time I have. Next, I had to add the movable tasks, the emails, and groceries. But because of how exhausted I already was, I decided to just use the random tasks that I already have in my inbox. While I love the concept of having a separate inbox, I quickly learned how difficult it actually is to use. First, I added them to the day. I thought I could just easily drag and drop them into the different parts of the day, but that proved impossible. I was stuck with adding start and end dates, and that is a lot of work, a whole job. Definitely not the smoothest workflow. At this point, both apps reached the same outcome, a full day plan. The difference comes down to how they make that planning feel. I thoroughly enjoyed my planning in Structured. It felt crisp and direct. Tiimo is frustratingly unresponsive. Planner apps often slow you down if they feel too schedule first. I really didn't have that problem here, especially in Structured, but it is a bit slow when I just want a fast brain dump. So while I love the inbox feature on the side and how easy it is to add those tasks to my day, adding thoughts to the inbox itself is less intuitive. It takes a little bit more than it should, which I found not so ideal. In Teemo, capture feels more deliberate. It suits a planned session where I sit down and shape the day. When I feel rushed, I can just dump ideas into the to-do list, which is the inbox, and be done with it. So for capture, Teemo feels better for a brain dump, but it's not very useful when integrating those tasks into the day. For clarity, Structured gives the clearest this happens, then this happens view. Teemo gives the clearest free time. For me, Structured is the better app. It works and everything is intuitive and fun too. So as my free trial for Teemo comes to an end, I am archiving it for a year or two. But I want to know what you guys think about the two apps. Which one have you tried and which one do you prefer? Do let us know in the comments. And until next time, fantastic human, stay fantastic.